When I started on YouTube, I kept hearing stuff like SEO, tags, keywords, and I had no idea what any of it meant. My videos were basically naked, a title and nothing else. I didn't even know that description actually helped YouTube find your videos, or that tags even existed. Then I found vidIQ's AI coach that explained it all to me like a normal person. I gained more watch hours in the last 3 months than I did for the entire year before. And let me show you just how I use it. So now I'll show you how I actually use vidIQ. You can upload videos to the vidIQ prompt down here, but it can only have a certain file size, and a full YouTube video is just too long. So what I do is when the video is out, I copy the link, I put it into here, and then I just say, here is my new video. What did I do okay? And what can I do better? Tags, SEO, description, title, and we need a thumbnail. And then I just press enter. And then the vidIQ will do its stuff. It cost me 25 credits, and you unlock credits by buying into the program. So now we'll just wait for a second and see what happens. So as you can see, it is now thinking, and it's going to pull all the data from the actual page. And it's fairly simple. Now we just wait a minute, and I will be back when it's done thinking. So while it's thinking, I'm gonna talk a bit about some stuff I found out about this tool. Sometimes it will cost you credit, sometimes it won't. If it made a mistake and you correct it, it will at times tell you, okay, that's on me, and then it will give you a new answer for free. So that's very nice. And they are improving it. Some of the stuff that I found lacking, I told the support, and it's now in the tool. So they do listen to us and take what we say into consideration. And it will be wrong now and again. Sometimes it might not read your full description because you ask for too much in one question. Then it kind of gets overloaded and it forgets some part of your video or description or tags. Then you just tell it that's wrong, load in your current description, and it will be like, oh, sorry. And then it would actually tell you, oh, you actually did this okay, but something is missing. So as you can see here, it is currently working on all the stuff that I did right, wrong, and some other stuff. And since I knew I had to do it for this video, I didn't really do much. As you can see here, this is what I did. And no thumbnail, no tags, nothing. I just made a completely bare video, more or less, to show you this. And because I'd done this before, you can see it already knows what I kind of wanted this end of my description to be, because I want everyone to have a good time. I always encourage people to reach out, ask, and stuff like that. So it automatically adds it in because it knows that's what I mean now. And you can basically just go through this. And let's see, for the tags, you can just copy paste them in. You can just do like this, copy paste, go down to the tags, pop them in, and tags done. I recommend that you read the description and the title and think about what you think about them, because sometimes it might be off, as I said, because it might have misunderstood something in the video. I had a video where it thought that I was talking about how to make gold, but I was actually talking about mistakes new people often made in World of Warcraft, so it believed it was a gold making video. It was not. We talked about it, it fixed it, and then it came up with new stuff. and it's just an amazing tool. So I'm gonna drop an affiliate link in the description of this video. I don't know if anyone is gonna click it, but if you're new at YouTube, try this out for at least a month. Sometimes they have a deal for 3 months. I tried it for 3 months now. And as I stated in the beginning, my total watch hours have increased more now than they did last year. So I can clearly see a difference from when I just tried to figure it out on my own and to now where I actually get a bit of help from this amazing tool. So let me know in the comments what you actually think about this tool, or if you already use it, and I just hope that it will help you, because I just want everyone to be able to succeed with this, and there's just so much information out there that you drown in it. So that's it. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you have an amazing day.